Choosing the right 3D printer can be overwhelming. Slow print speeds, poor print quality, complicated setup, and limited build size often frustrate users. That's why modern 3D printers now focus on speed, accuracy, automation, and user-friendly features. From beginner-friendly models to high-speed FDM and ultra-large resin printers, today's machines are more powerful than ever. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026, selected after analyzing features, performance, and real user feedback. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart tech reviews. Number 5. ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Combo AE. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Combo AE is a high-speed, multicolor FDM 3D printer designed for advanced users and creative projects. With an impressive printing speed of up to 600 millimeters per second and a generous 250 by 250 by 260 millimeter build volume, it handles large and complex prints with ease. The multicolor combo system allows vibrant, detailed creations without manual filament changes. Auto-leveling improves accuracy, while the rigid frame ensures stability during high-speed printing. Ideal for makers who want fast production, colorful prints, and reliable performance. Number 4. Flashforge Adventurer 5M. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is a powerful, high-speed 3D printer built for smooth, hassle-free printing. Its full auto-leveling system eliminates manual calibration, while the direct drive extruder ensures precise filament control even with flexible materials. The flexible PEI build plate makes print removal quick and easy. With power loss recovery, your print stays safe during outages. Designed for speed, accuracy, and convenience, this printer is perfect for home users, students, and professionals who want consistent results with minimal setup. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max AE. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max AE is a high-performance resin 3D printer built for large-scale, ultra-detailed printing. It features a 7K mono LCD and a massive 14.7-liter print volume, making it ideal for professional models, prototypes, and detailed parts. The advanced COB Plus light source delivers uniform exposure, improving accuracy and surface finish. Faster curing times and high resolution ensure stunning detail on every print. This printer is perfect for users who need precision, size, and professional-grade resin output. Number 2. Geeetech M1 3D Printer. The Geeetech M1 is a beginner-friendly mini 3D printer designed especially for kids, students, and first-time users. Its compact size fits easily on desks, while auto-leveling removes setup complexity. High-speed printing keeps projects moving fast, and the fully open-source system allows learning and customization. Safety-focused design and simple controls make it ideal for education and home use. If you want an affordable, easy-to-use 3D printer that helps beginners learn fast without frustration, the Geeetech M1 is an excellent choice. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus. The Creality Ender 3v3 Plus is the most advanced and powerful 3D printer on this list. Featuring a Core XC motion system, it achieves blazing fast print speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second without sacrificing accuracy. Auto-leveling and an all-metal build ensure durability and consistent print quality. With a 220 by 220 by 250 millimeter build volume, it handles a wide range of projects effortlessly. Ideal for beginners and experienced makers alike, this printer delivers professional performance, speed, and reliability at an outstanding value. From beginner-friendly models to high-speed FDM and ultra-large resin printers, these 5 options cover every major 3D printing need. They offer speed, accuracy, smart features, and great value. Which 3D printer fits your projects best? Comment below and subscribe for more expert tech reviews.